All right, folks, you know what it is. Connections. We're going to make 4 groups of 4. And first, I'm looking at like sauces, marinara, barbecue sauce, like a chipotle aioli or something like that, and ranch. So these are different sorts of sauces. Sauces for yellow. Dipping sauces. Bill, receipt, invoice. This is going to be the next one. Statement. That would be the next color up. Followed by a probe. Probe, question, examine, and grill. And then the last one is purple. Ancestry, cattle, merchandise, and broth. Bone broth or chicken broth? Gotta be a blank in here. Cattle herder, merchandise herder. What? I don't know. Show me that purple. What stock might mean. Oh, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Wonderful.